Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Like I'm tired or I'm feeling कि अरे 6 बजे उठ के जाना है because I love this job. Like you said, I believe that this is what I am, I was born to do. So when I'm actually living the life of Rani, it's epic. It's like completely different from Anushka. I always take up those roles which I actually enjoy, which I actually think are different from other roles that I've done, and this is a 180-degree switch for me. हमेशा motivate किया है. She's a mechanical engineer, like for God's sake. बलिया में रहती है वो, पर पूरे गांव से बोलती कि तुम्हारी औकात इतनी है, तुम्हारे पापा है, मतलब तुम्हारे बाबूजी हेड सर्वेंट है, तो तुम्हें भी आगे जाके सर्वेंट होना है. And she's like, what is औकात and all, like इरादे बड़े होने चाहिए, ख्यालात बड़े होने चाहिए, for this अपना टाइम भी आएगा. अगर फर्स्ट जब न्यूज रिलीज हुआ था, my friends, my family, including all my fans, they got shocked. So that shocked reaction I want. No matter how much he, tries to hide the fact that he gets emotional every time I do something or every time I achieve something, I can see that because I'm his daughter. And I got the, opportunity to buy that car, buy a car which is limited edition. Like you said, it's a very different car. It's a very unique car, and I'm a person, I love being unique and I love having stuff which is unique and I love doing stuff which is unique. Unique is basically my kick. So, हमारे भाई बहन लोग हम ये कहते हैं कि आप जो हमें इतना प्यार देते हैं ना, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ये जो दिल है ना, उसको बहुत ही प्यार होता है आपसे.
Hi everyone, joining me for a conversation today is somebody जिनकी जो achievements की list है वो उनकी बालों के length से जल्दी पड़ जाती है, because since the last time I spoke to her, she already has so much on her plate, and she has a new car, she has a new show, there's so much. Hi Anushka, welcome to India Forum. It's always a pleasure talking to you, as you know. Tell me,
Thank you.
How are you and what's going on?
Firstly, thank you for a very, very epic introduction. Secondly, everything's great. Super. I'm very happy. I'm in my element and I'm doing good. How are you?
And because you said I'm also amazing, because I'm getting to do this with you, which is something that I always enjoy and love doing. And as you said that you are in your element, and I know how much you love the set ka vibe, matlab, just getting ready, doing your thing. This is what, like you feel that this is where I belong. And I can see that because I remember that during the lockdown, जब भी हमारा interaction हुआ, I used to ask you कि, what is your day routine like and all of that. And you used to be like, अरे मतलब 3 बजे तो मैं उठ रही हूँ and all of that. And now I see stories of you like 6 o'clock, Anushka is like rising and shining. Tell me like the pump that this whole thing gives you, and like Rani the character. Right. I was like amazed with the promos, and I told you also कि मतलब the discipline and all, and I can see that so well in the fierceness. So tell me like what is this character doing to you personally?
As you said, I missed shooting for 5 months, honestly. Of course, I did music videos, but those are the kind of work which is, of course, I enjoy doing that as well. But it's just 2 days and then you come back home. And this is something which you do regularly. It just changes your life entirely. मतलब जैसे आपने बोला, I used to wake up by 1, 2, 3 sometimes because I'm a night person. I wake up in the night. I like staying up at night. So every work that I used to do from home was कि shifted होता है अपने खुद के time पे, and of course I kept myself busy so that मैं bore नहीं हो जाऊँ, पक नहीं जाऊँ basically. But Rani, when I got and when I started shooting for अपना time भी आएगा, as you said 6 o'clock I'm going, but you will not see like I'm tired or I'm feeling कि अरे 6 बजे उठ के जाना है, because I love this job. Like you said, I believe that this is what I am, I was born to do, because I love shooting firstly, and I love being busy, that. I love working. And Rani, this character, it's epic. I would say in one word, it's epic. Personally, it has inspired me, it has motivated me. It's just been 5 days I've shot. Today was my 5th day. बट जितना मजा मुझे रानी करके आ रहा है, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल द रोल्स दैट आई हैव डन. एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी, we both had a conversation about the promo itself, but there's so many things that you have not seen in the promo. So when I'm actually living the life of Rani, it's epic. It's like completely different from Anushka. You know me as a person, not only we know each other as India Forums interviews, you know me as a friend. You know, I'm from Mumbai, 14 years yahan pe hu, and I'm a completely different person. And this Rani girl, she's from Balia, gaon se hai. This desi effect not only in the costume, but the way she walks, the way she talks, and her thinking, it's mind blowing. And it's a challenge for me. Firstly, when I got this role, I was very happy. Secondly, my thinking was that I have to be full on Gaunti, I have to be full on Desi, and my Hindi is also going to be very different, because jab main aur promo mein you can see like other people will speak Hindi and I will speak Hindi, but you can get that ki ye Bihari accent hai, something like that. So I'm working on that. Like, previous shows I have done uska jo requirement tha uske liye I did homework, but this has a different homework, कि उसका कैसे चलना है, कैसे बोलना है. So we are practicing that. I was working on it. Now we are finally start shooting, and I am enjoying. And I always take up those roles which I actually enjoy, which I actually think are different from other roles that I've done, and this is a 180-degree switch for me.
Right. I was actually going to ask you that, मतलब since the time you did your previous show, उसके बाद से I'm sure there must have been so many like different offers and all of that, and I know for a fact you are very like picky when you have to commit to a character. You legit like you break down to how much you can do for the character and not only the show overall. Right. Where you stand, what is your character going to be like, and all of that. When you first heard about Rani, what was the reaction? Because of course, as you mentioned, कि Mumbai lifestyle है, and the diva thing is any which way is there. You are a alone child, तो पूरा pampering है, कभी like the whole vibe of it. It's something which is completely different. So tell me, like when you were told कि ऐसा होगा, plus the outfit. I mean, look at you. You look like कि अभी मटका लेके you have to just start walking.
I would see. I am like full on.
You're going to put pictures, so
yeah, actually. So see, I would say when I heard this character, सबसे पहले मुझे character के बारे में बताया गया. I got to know about the character. My first thought, to be very honest, because you're my friend, I would tell you, my first ever thought was, I have red hair. How will I do it? And I just colored my hair 1 month back. I'm like, oh, ये तो गाँव की लड़की होगी. See, first thought was not this. First thought was, of course, I was super impressed by the character. Super impressed. I was like, wow, this is a big opportunity. This is a big challenge. Second thought was probably, oh, I have red hair. I have to go back to brown. And it's been a long time since I've had one colored hair. But it's okay. Because see, after all, I'm an actor, and I think वही मजा है एक्टर लाइफ का कि आप अलग अलग दिखते हो, अलग अलग जिंदगी जीते हो. It's not only that I'm living one life, I'm living so many different lives altogether. And in 9 years I've lived so many lives, you know that. So hair is a very, क्या बोलते हैं, बाहरी चीज है, ये ऐसे ही पलट जाता है. But getting some roles like this, it's very different. ये होता है opportunity, and if you don't take up this opportunity at the right time, I think it's a big mistake. So I was like, okay, I'll take this opportunity. I will try my best. Then third thing was responsibility of this role that I justified. And as you said, I break down to the most core of the role, not only for the show, for the कि Rani as a person कैसे होगी, छोटी-छोटी चीजें क्या होगी उसकी. I want to get down to that because मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I love detailings of characters because वही तो मजा है. वही नहीं रहेगा तो then you can't enjoy the character while doing it or while watching it. तो ये सुन के I got impressed, and when I got to know about the storyline कि उसका जो journey है, बलिया से उसका अलग ही आपको दिखेगा, but she reaches जयपुर, how उसको पूरा ट्रीटमेंट बचपन से रानी की तरह रखा है, उसकी पूरी फैमिली ने उसे, पापा ने सबसे ज्यादा, उसके बाबूजी ने, she's a very beautiful connection with him. एंड हमेशा सपोर्ट किया है, हमेशा मोटिवेट किया है. शी इज अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, लाइक फॉर गॉड सेक. बलिया में रहती है वो, बट पूरे गांव से बोलती कि तुम्हारी औकात इतनी है, तुम्हारे पापा है, मतलब तुम्हारे बाबूजी हेड सर्वेंट है, तो तुम्हें भी आगे जाके सर्वेंट होना है. एंड शी इज लाइक व्हाट इज औकात एंड ऑल. लाइक इरादे बड़े होने चाहिए, ख्यालात बड़े होने चाहिए, यू नो. थिंक बिग एंड ड्रीम बिग. It doesn't matter what your financial status is, or you know where you live or anything. It's just about how much you can dream and work on it. But then how is dream के बीच में कैसे उसका पूरा ट्रैक ही बदल जाता है. She has to replace her dad's position in Jaipur के रजावत के घर पे, so that a person who lived like a queen in her own state, वो कैसे एक हेड सर्वेंट में उसको एक कन्फाइंड उसमें वो कैसे रहेगी. एंड विल शी फॉरगेट हर ड्रीम्स? विल शी जस्ट वो होता है ना कि अरे नहीं अब नहीं होगा, या शी वुड गो फॉर इट कि नहीं मेरा जो भी हो, मैं जहां भी हूँ, आई वुड गो फॉर इट. सो जो रुकावटें आएंगी, that's the twist. And I seriously am so inspired by the story. You can see while speaking I'm so excited. So while working on it, I'm having a lot of fun.
No running ki matlab this is what I want to be doing with this character and all of that. And I also the name of the show Apna Time Bhi Aayega, the connotation is sort of drawn with like Gully Boy mein that point was there when he also realized I am also going to be like matlab hamara bhi time aayega and all of that. Right. How much does Anushka sort of relate to that in her personal life also, like there has to be a right time for everything, and how much you make the most out of it is something which will make you different from all the rest. Like tell me, like how much do you believe in that thought personally?
I think I've always told you I'm very picky about roles and picky about things in general, not only as an actor, as a person I'm very picky. So I think whatever happens for a reason. Of course I believe in that. I don't really believe in luck factor उतना, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है वो बहुत it's all about the belief, कि आप believe करते हो मेरे luck जब होगा तब होगा. I think that makes you lazy as a person. So I don't believe in that. I just work hard. Of course there's a time for everything, and I genuinely believe in that कि ये समय है, I can do this. Probably after a while I would do this. So but I would never stop working for it, you know what I mean? I would not stop working hard. I know my dreams. I have a bunch of lists of bucket list hai. There's a lot of stuff, but I know there is a time for everything, and I strongly believe in that. And I just work hard and play hard. That's all.
Right. And another thing which I've observed, and it just like struck me, ki whatever characters that you've done, everything is very like it needs to have a depth, a sense of maturity. It's not very like matlab hey ha types, like nikal diya character ko. You are somebody who takes up like strong characters, be it the previous show that you did or even the movies that you've done. They are very like powerful characters. Tell me, is this I mean of course it is a conscious decision, but like what are the things that you actually look out for before saying yes to a character?
Right. And of course all the roles that I've done, they have a very strong cause, they have a very good message, and they are very deep rooted characters. They're layers to the characters. And see, I would, of course it's a conscious decision, because of course before saying yes to a show, we, like me, my family, we discussed, like me and my mom dad. But when I'm saying yes to a role, personally I would say I look into stuff like ki ye alag hona chahiye, than all the roles that I've done before. Secondly, it should have a message, the show. Like, it should inspire people to watch it. Like, there should be a reason. Why will you watch it? Like, when people ask me, why should I watch Apna Time Bhi Aayega? They don't have to ask me, because the plot is only so strong. So, I think if, if there's a strong message, if there's a character which challenges me, I think that is fun. वो बोलते हैं ना कि वही मजा है, कि आपको चैलेंज हो रहा है, कि आपको लग रहा है कि अच्छा मुझे मेहनत करनी है. If there's a role which is like a basic, जिसमें ज्यादा मजा तो है ही, हर रोल में एक अलग मजा है, but if there's not much preparation for it, or if it's just similar stuff, then I think I get bored. I'm like, okay, ठीक है. But I don't want
to have your own sweet like prep sort of thing, which will make you like come out of your like usual life. अगर वो usual
Zone.
life वाला
Yeah.
character play करना है तो then there's no kick basically.
Yeah, there's no kick because I want to experience different, like I want those contrast things to happen, and I personally believe that I want to do stuff, I want to do work which will shock people. Like when I like put up this अपना time भी आएगा का first जब news release हुआ था, my friends, my family, including all my fans, they got shocked. So that shocked reaction I want every single time. No matter if I do music videos or movies, even movies I did Liha, which was Isma Chukkai's character. So Country of Blind, very different. So I want, because different hota hai na, tabhi your fans, my fans at least get, oh wow, there's something else. And as a person inside, there's a kick that wow, I have to work on it. I'm having fun. Rani mein to you will not imagine how fun I'm having my fun.
Crazy. Another thing that you mentioned that Rani has a very special bond with her father, and I know you also have such a beautiful bond with your father. Tell me, mom dad का क्या reaction था when they saw, जब of course सुनते हैं तब एक बात होती है, but when it comes to life, like when they picturize you कि अरे ये है look, and when the poster and everything comes out, the mock and all of that happens. Tell me, what was their reaction to see you like this in a different vibe mein?
So, I'm from Ranchi. Ranchi se paidaish hu. My mom is from Jamshedpur. My dad is from Ranchi. So, when I got this role, of course, we are all impressed and happy and stuff. But when I actually did, कि जब दिखा पहला promo आया, so my dad, my mom is like कि whatever she feels, she'll just express, and you know that. But my dad, he gets emotional at very rare times, Jhansi ka launch, when it happened, he got emotional. Rani, when he saw, he just got silent. He was just shook. He was like, wow, this is different. This is my girl. And he feels so, and I can see that in his eyes. And no matter how much he, tries to hide the fact that he gets emotional every time I do something or every time I achieve something, I can see that because I'm his daughter. So I feel very happy that, my parents are my biggest support, biggest motivation. And when I got this Bihari accent wala role, my dad was like, because whenever he talks to his friends, no matter if they're in USA or they're in Mumbai or Delhi mein, kahin bhi hai. But when friends meet or talk, they have their own, because they have उनका schooling ये सब रांची में हुआ है, तब वो वैसे ही एक्सेंट में बात करते थे. Sometimes on the मस्ती में वो बात करते हैं. So when I got this role, when I started working on it, I was like, Dad, and I sat with him. Body language का बात हो रहा है, accent का, लहजा का. Super fun, yeah. I got to bond with Dad even more because of this role. So I think
he helped you. Getting the things right.
That's a personal touch. आ गया तो you imagine how much fun I would have. So yeah, I'm very happy that my parents are my biggest support, and that how much I love them.
Another thing that Rani as a character strongly believes in is of course achieving dreams, and dreams ki baat kare, you have achieved your dream car, and we cannot be not talking about it. Tell me kya tha, because it looks so different. Like you always imagine ki haan theek ek sedan hoga, it could be like a Mercedes or something like I said Porsche gaadi, but this is like whoa, isme bhi different. Like there's a sports car and you're standing with it, driving and all. Tell me what has it taken for you to reach till here and buy and have that key in your hand?
So I've always loved cars, like from the bottom of my heart. I've loved cars since I was a child. जब कार का स्पेलिंग सीखा था तब से गाड़ियां पसंद है मुझे. जब भी न्यूज़पेपर में आता था ना, वो फरारी आया, लैम्बोर्गिनी आया, कहीं से मैगजीन whatever, to cut the, अभी पोस्टर का सिस्टम है because I'm a teenager, तब तो नहीं था वो सब. तो बस काट के वही कबर्ड में चिपकाती थी, and I used to open my cupboard in the morning कि bro, one day I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna sit in this car and stuff like that. And then when I grew up, I started realizing that, bro, I have to work hard in order to get those cars. So I've always believed, I'll work hard and dreams एक करके हो जाएंगे. There's a right time for everything. So after 18, I had always imagined that I would probably buy a car बचपन में कि 21 हो गई, full adult I'll buy. But fortunately, by God's grace, I just turned 18 2 months back, and I got the opportunity to buy that car, buy a car which is limited edition, like you said. It's a very different car. It's a very unique car, and I'm a person. I love being unique, and I love having stuff which is unique, and I love doing stuff which is unique. Unique is basically my kick.
Mantra.
Yeah, my mantra, be unique. So I bought that car, and when they actually handed me the chabi, no, they did the key, वो जो होता है, they gave that. When I saw my car, no, firstly जब वो unveil किया, I was so emotional. I was like, wow. Whenever I see 6 बजे जब उठ के मैं जाती हूँ ना कि नींद में थोड़ा गई, when I see my car, I'm like, I'm gonna work harder, buddy. I'm gonna work harder. So it's kind of my motivation also. And first day what happened, I went to my parking. I'm like, oh, this is a blue car. Where's my white car? I had a white car before. So I was like, oh, arey, this is my car. So this was happening initially. So being very honest, I still sometimes don't think, oh wow, I got this car. I'm very fortunate for my parents were very sweet. They are most supporting, motivating parents, because they've always helped me balance my studies and acting together. My fans, they are तो मतलब इतना support, इतना unconditional love, 1 crore लोग, बाप रे. I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm actually very happy at this point of time in life.
And because अभी आपने 1 crore बोला है, we cannot be not talking about 10 million. There are just, as I said intro में ही मैंने बोल दिया था, so whoever is thinking that ये एक के बाद एक चीजें हैं, there is a long list, guys. And let's talk about 10 million. Tell me, when did you join Instagram? I remember asking this to you actually. कि कुछ साल ही हुए हैं, इतने साल हुए नहीं है actually. और
it's only
already हो गए हैं.
It's only been, I think, 4 years or something like that.
Right.
और I started when I was shooting, I think, Balveer बीच में.
Right.
उसके I started Instagram, but Instagram that time नया कुछ app था, something it was there, just Facebook तभी was like the main funda, Facebook मतलब अलग. But then Instagram started growing like this, and I started growing, and my fan following started growing with all the work that I've done, of course. But when I reached 10 million, I just couldn't believe. I had tears in my eyes the time I reached 10 million, because it's a very big achievement for me. And I think मैं बार बार बोलती हूँ यही, जहाँ पे हूँ मैं, जहाँ पे भी आगे रहूँगी, wherever I go, Simrandy, wherever I go, people are like, wow, you have 10 million, 10 million followers. And I'm like, that respect, that amount of love that I get from people who are outside or meeting me, it's all because of my fans. So that's why when I posted a picture with all of my fans. Itne pictures the मेरे पास, because I miss meeting them. Firstly, because of this COVID, I can't go to events and meet them. Secondly, it's all because of them, because they are the people who are following me, motivating me, and we have reached 10 million, and inshallah we'll reach more millions in future. And I'm very lucky and blessed to have them in my life. Honestly, they're a big blessing.
And of course, lastly, I want you to give a message to all those 10 million, and I'm sure कि वो 10 ही नहीं है, बहुत सारे और millions हैं who probably are not on Instagram, या फिर रानी की technology से थोड़े परे हैं और नहीं use करते हैं, and all of that. Like, if you have to give a quick message, but इसमें एक twist है, you have to give the message in Rani wala style. I want to hear that accent, and I want to see like how are you talking, because I know Anushka की हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है और अनुष्का बहुत अच्छी उच्च लेवल की हिंदी में बात करती है. तो Anushka is going to give a message now.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this stuff. हमारे भाई बहन लोग, हम ये कहते हैं कि आप जो हमें इतना प्यार देते हैं ना, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ये जो दिल है ना, उसको बहुत ही प्यार होता है आपसे. और जो आप हमें सपोर्ट करते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे आप कमेंट करते हैं, और हमारा जो भी आप काम देखते हैं, आप बहुत ही प्यार देते हैं उसको, और उसके लिए ना बड़ा बड़ा थैंक यू. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. It just really means a lot to me, because whatever I'm just because of you guys. Just keep supporting and keep watching. Apna Time bhi aayega on 20th October ZTV. Yeah, that's how we do. That's how we
Wow. I was actually जैसे switch हुआ, I was like, wow, that is why she's an actor because the switch was amazing from that to this. I'm sure that the show is going to do amazing and everybody is going to love it, including me. I really enjoyed the promos and all the best to you. May you rock the character and so much more for you to achieve. Till the time next interview ho, I'm sure the list is going to become even longer.
Thank you.
So yeah,
Sim,
all
thank
the
you.
looking forward to the show and always such a pleasure talking to you. Thank
Same
you.
here. Thank you, Sim. Thank you so much, and lots
So
of love. And I
much.
miss you so much. Really.
Oh, let's meet soon. Kabhi hum set pe
Twinning.
milenge. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
Stay safe. Take all the precautions that are necessary on set, and otherwise, also, I'm sure they are going to be super prompt with that. But
Yes.
yes, take care of yourself because we all love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.